Apple has introduced its newest budget-friendly smartphone, the iPhone 16e, offering an appealing blend of advanced technology and affordability, aimed at users seeking the core Apple experience without the premium price tag. The iPhone 16e emerges as a worthy successor to the popular iPhone SE series. Sporting a sleek design reminiscent of the iPhone 14, the iPhone 16e features a 6.1-inch OLED Super Retina XDR display that delivers vibrant colors and stunning clarity. With its familiar notch design, this device provides an immersive viewing experience ideal for streaming, gaming, and daily use. Under the hood, the iPhone 16e is powered by Apple's efficient A18 chip, optimized to deliver smooth performance for everyday tasks while maintaining excellent battery efficiency. Users can comfortably navigate social media, stream videos, and play games without experiencing slowdowns or lag. The camera system on the iPhone 16e includes a single but impressive 48-megapixel fusion camera, capable of capturing sharp, detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. Although it lacks additional lenses such as ultra-wide or telephoto, its optical zoom and intelligent image processing capabilities make it a reliable tool for capturing memorable moments. The front-facing 12-megapixel true-depth camera ensures excellent selfies and seamless Face ID functionality. Battery life remains a standout feature, with the iPhone 16e offering up to 2 days of general use. While the device supports wireless charging, it notably omits MagSafe compatibility, a factor users should consider when evaluating accessory compatibility. Connectivity is solid, including 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC for convenient Apple Pay transactions. One notable addition is the customizable Action button, replacing the traditional mute switch, allowing users to quickly access their favorite functions. Priced attractively compared to its premium counterparts, the iPhone 16e provides substantial value, delivering essential features and performance that most users will appreciate. This smartphone is an excellent choice for those wanting a modern Apple experience at an accessible price.